Okay, G is for?
Great.
All right. F is for? F is for?
Fish.
Good job. Next, V is for?
Well,
Okay, now F is for? Football. Good job.
these were the goose.
Okay.
And Google.
And then V is for?
Mommy, G is for the goose and the Google.
Google. You know it.
Google.
Google. Okay. Now what about the V?
Google. V. Look, Mommy. Wow,
Good job.
Mommy, C is for carrot.
Good job.
Oh, we had to circle it first.
Next. Next. Good job. Good job.
A zebra.
Next. All right.
Alright.
And the next problem. Can you read?
I try to, but what's that? Whether begins its name.
Good girl.
Good girl. Now that's my girl.
Okay.
Z for zebra.
All right. C is for?
Zebra. No, K.
Good girl.
C is for K.
Yay. And the L is for?
Lion.
Yes.
And moon.